Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the Xbox app on Windows or Mac and sign in with your Microsoft account. Check the bottom left for the Store or My Games and Apps icon. Ensure your internet connection is stable and bandwidth supports large downloads. Enable background downloads in settings to queue updates while you work. If using an external drive, confirm it is formatted NTFS and mounted. Close conflicting apps that use high disk or network resources before updating. Now navigate to Library to find installed games and pending updates listed. Open Library and select the Installed tab to view games on your device. Games with updates show an update button or a download progress indicator. Click Update to start a single game download and watch the progress bar. Use Update All to queue multiple game updates and let them run sequentially. Prioritize important updates by starting them first or pausing smaller downloads. Check storage space. Free at least 2 GB per modern game before updating. If a download stalls, cancel and restart the update or reboot the app. If updates fail, check Xbox app version and install any available app updates. Sign out, clear the app cache, then sign back in before retrying the download. On Windows, run the Microsoft Store or Xbox installer repair from settings. Reset the console companion or reinstall the Xbox app if problems persist. Check Xbox Live status and server issues before assuming local network faults. If storage errors appear, reformat external drives to NTFS after backing up files. Contact Microsoft support with your account ID and diagnostic logs if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.